Symbols of Ramadan. Today we're going to learn all about the symbols of Ramadan. Let's find out some important things that help make this month so special. Before the sun rises, Muslims eat Suhoor, a meal to prepare them for fasting. It's important to eat healthy foods to stay strong throughout the day. Ramadan starts with sunrise. The sun rising marks the start of a brand new day of fasting. After sunset, it's time for Iftar, the meal Muslims enjoy to break their fast. It's a happy time to sit with family and friends and enjoy delicious food together. A mosque is a special place where Muslims gather to pray, especially during Ramadan. They go there for Salah, which means prayer. Muslims pray 5 times a day, but during Ramadan, they might pray even more. The Qur'an is the holy book of Islam. During Ramadan, many people try to read more of the Qur'an. It's a time to reflect and learn important lessons. Ramadan is also a special time for giving. Muslims make donations to help others in need. It's all about kindness, generosity, and making the world a better place. Dates are a special food during Ramadan. Muslims eat them to break their fast because they're healthy and sweet, giving them the energy they need after a long day. A prayer mat is a special mat where Muslims pray. It helps them stay clean and focused while they pray to God. Finally, the Star and Crescent is a symbol of Islam. It reminds Muslims of the light and peace that Ramadan brings into their hearts. We hope you enjoyed learning about these important symbols of Ramadan. Happy Ramadan from everyone here at Twinkl.